morning to the students of class 5. Students, we were doing the topic distance, time and speed in maths. Now students, I hope you remembered what is speed. Speed is the distance travelled per unit of time. And what do we mean by the unit of time? The unit time means either 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, etc. Now today's class we are going to do some of the few conversions of unit of speed. Now you know that the unit of speed depends on the unit of distance and the unit of time. Why? Because the speed depends on these two factors, that is the distance and time. So I hope you remembered all the three formulas. Speed equals to distance divided by time, distance equals to speed into time, time equals to distance divided by speed. Now let us work out a few sums. Question number 1. Express the following speeds in kilometer per hour. So here students, the speed is given in meter per second and you will have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So the question is 16 2 by 3 meter per second. So that means the distance of 16 whole 2 by 3 meter is covered in 1 second. This is the meaning. Now here it is given in mixed fraction. The first step is that you will have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 3 into 16, that is 48, 48 plus 2, that is 50, 50 by 3. Now 50 by 3 what? 50 by 3 meter. So 50 by 3 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Now since the speed you will have to convert in kilometer per hour, that is why you need to convert the distance first from meter to kilometer. So here the distance is 50 by 3, that you are dividing by 1000. Now children, I hope you remembered how to convert the distance from meter to kilometer. You will have to divide it by 1000. So you are doing 50 by 3 divided by 1000 divided by 1 second. Why? Because here 1 second is the time. As it is given 16 2 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed given. So 1 second you will have to convert it into hour. Now children, you know that 1 hour equals to 3600 second. So 1 second will be what? 1 by 3600 hours. Why? Because you will have to divide by 3600. Now the rest of the calculation is done here. Here let me show you that here you have 50 divided by 3, that is again divided by 1000. So what you will do is you will write 50 by 3000. Why? Because this 3 is also going down in the denominator, that divided by 1 by 3600. Now when you are dividing, you will have to take the reciprocal. That means you will multiply and then write 3600 by 1. You are taking the reciprocal. So after that you will get 50 by 3000 into 3600. Then you multiply the numerators. 50 into 3600 you get 180000 divided by 3000. Then after you do the cancellation. Now let me show you the cancellation. 180000 by 3000. So here in the numerator you have 4 zeros. So here 3 zeros can be cancelled with the denominator. Now this 180 you divide by 3. 3 into 60, that is 180. So you are getting the speed in kilometer per hour as 60 kilometer per hour. So you are going to write the answer, speed equals to 60 kilometer per hour. Now next sum, part B, 300 meter in 15 seconds. That means the distance of 300 meter is covered in 15 seconds. So here you will write the distance, that is 300 meter. Now since you need to have the speed in kilometer per hour, so the distance should be in kilometer. So for converting this 300 meter into kilometer, what you do? You write 300 by 1000. Then after that 300 by 1000, you cancel out 2 zeros and you will get 3 by 10 kilometer. So this is the distance in kilometer. Next you have the time. Time is 15 seconds. So seconds into hours, that means you will have to divide by 3600. Then you divide and cancel out and you get 1 by 240 hours. Then you write speed equals to distance divided by time. right? You know this formula, speed equals to distance divided by time. So distance you have got in kilometer, that is 3 by 10 kilometer, and time is 1 by 240 hours. So you write 3 by 10 divided by 1 by 240. Now in the next step you write 3 by 10, then change the division sign into multiplication sign, then after that take the reciprocal, that is the reciprocal of 1 by 240 will be 240 itself, that is 240 by 1. So now you do the cancellation, 3 by 10 into 240. Now students see, the 0 and 0 is getting cancelled and you have 3 into 24, that is 72 kilometer per hour. So you are going to write the speed, that is 72 kilometer per hour, right? Now next sum, 36 kilometer per hour. So students, here 36 kilometer distance is covered in 1 hour. Per hour means 1 hour. Keep this in mind. Per hour means 1 hour. Now here what we will do? We will write 36 kilometer by 1 hour. Since it is given per hour, that is why you are writing 36 kilometer by 1 hour. Now kilometer to meter you are changing. Here the speed is given in kilometer per hour and you will have to convert it into meter per second. So that is why for that you need to have the distance given in kilometer, you need to change it into meter. So you write 36 into 1000 by 1 into 3600. Then after that you do the cancellation, 36 into 1000 by 3600. So you can cancel out the 2 zeros, then after that 36 into 1 is 36. Now you have 1 into 10, that is 10 meter per second. So you are going to write speed equals to 10 meter per second. So in this case you have converted the speed given in kilometer per hour to meter per second. So for that you need to convert in the first step the distance from kilometer to meter and then the time from hour to seconds. Now next part B, 14.4 kilometer per hour. So here students, the speed given is 14.4 kilometer per hour. That means what? A distance of 14.4 kilometer is covered in 1 hour. So you will write 14.4, that you are converting into fraction, that is it is given in decimal. So you are converting into fraction, that is 144 by 10 you are writing, then that is again divided by 1 hour. Now 1 hour means again you will have to divide it by 3600, right? You are converting into seconds, that is why divided by 3600. Then after that you do the cancellations, like here it is given 144, here the distance is given in kilometer, you are converting into meter, that is 144 into 1000 by, here denominator you have 10, so 10 into 3600. Why 10? Because here the decimal we have converted into simple fraction, then we have divided by 3600, right? And here we have on top it is multiplied with 1000 because we are converting the speed from kilometer to meter. So now you write and do the cancellation as shown here. You are going to cancel these 2 zeros and then one more 0 is here, you can cancel out. Then you write 144 divided by 36, that is 4 meter per second. So you are going to write speed is 4 meter per second. Next you have a word problem. Shyam and Ankur both use cars to go to their offices. Shyam covers a distance of 16 km in 30 minutes while Ankur covers a distance of 12 km in 20 minutes. Which of the two drives fast? So in order to find that who is driving fast, you need to know the speed of each of them. So let us calculate the speed. So here the distance and time is given. In the first case, you will write the distance covered by Shyam, that is equals to 16 km. Time taken by Shyam, that is equals to 30 minutes. Now you need to have the speed in kilometer per hour. So for that reason you also need to have the time in hours and the distance in kilometers. So distance is already given in kilometer, right? Distance is given in kilometer and time is given in minutes. So you need to convert the time into hours. So minutes to hours means you need to divide by 60. That is 30 you are dividing by 60 and you get 1 by 2. Why? Because you know that 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60. So that is 1 by 2 hour. Now you will have to find the speed. Speed is distance divided by time. So distance is 16 kilometer, which is already given, and time we have calculated in hours, that is 1 by 2 hours. Now you are doing the division, that is 16 divided by 1 by 2. Now you write 16 into 2 by 1. You are doing the simple division. Now 16 2s are 32 kilometer per hour. Next, distance covered by Ankur. So first we have found the speed in which, that is driven by Shyam. Okay. So in the first case we have found out the distance, that is the speed that is in which Shyam has driven. Now we will have to find the speed of Ankur. So you are going to write distance covered by Ankur, that is 12 kilometer, time taken by Ankur, that is 20 minutes. So 20 by 60 you are doing. Why 60? Because here you are converting the time from minutes to hours. So minutes to hours means divide by 60. So you do 20 by 60. 21s are 20, 23s are 60. So you are getting 1 by 3 hours. So next write speed equals to distance by time. So distance, that is 12 kilometer, and time, that is 1 by 3 hours. So now you are doing the division, that is 12 divided by 1 by 3. Now you change the division into multiplication sign, 12 into 3 by 1. So 3 into 12, that is 36 kilometer per hour. Now students, let us compare between both the speeds. The speed at which Shyam was driving, that is 32 kilometer per hour, and the speed at which Ankur was driving, that is 36 kilometer per hour. So Ankur's speed is more than that of Shyam's speed. So you are going to write Ankur drives faster, since 36 kilometer per hour, the speed 36 kilometer per hour is greater than 32 kilometer per hour. So you are going to write the answer, Ankur drives faster than Shyam. Alright students, so you are going to listen to the explanation of the sums from the video and work out the sums in your maths classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.